welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're going to make Old Man Logan. Are you ready? Let's do it! Alright, you just saw the slideshow. Hope you're inspired. Get out there, go make your Old Man Logan. And we hope you have a fun day being creative. Bye-bye.